Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Z Chemistry. Today's topic is about rules for image formation in convex mirrors. इससे पहले हमने रूल्स पढ़े थे कनकेव मिरर्स में, तो यहाँ पे हमें जो आज पढ़ना है दैट इज रूल्स फॉर इमेज फॉर्मेशन इन कन्वेक्स मिरर्स. लेट्स स्टार्ट. तो जैसे कि कन्वेक्स मिरर के बारे में हम लोगों को पता ही है कि कन्वेक्स मिरर एक ऐसा मिरर है जहाँ पे जो रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस है दैट इज कर्व्ड आउटवर्ड्स, रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस इज कर्व्ड आउटवर्ड्स, व्हाइल कनकेव में क्या है कि वहाँ पे जो रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस है दैट इज कर्व्ड इनवर्ड्स. वी हैव टू रिमेंबर इट. तो जो सबसे पहला जो इसमें जो रूल है वो ये है कि रे ऑफ लाइट parallel to principal axis, a ray of light which goes parallel to principal axis in case of convex mirror appears to originate or appears to be coming from its focus after reflection. यानी कि एक रे ऑफ लाइट जो है जो कि प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल प्रोपगेट करती है, it seems to come or it appears to be coming फ्रॉम इट्स फोकस. ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे कि ये जो रे ऑफ लाइट है ये कहाँ से आती है, इसका जो ओरिजिन है वो फोकस से है. यहाँ पे हम इस डायग्राम में देखेंगे कि हियर इज ए रे ऑफ लाइट इज देयर, दैट रे इज फॉर एग्जांपल इट इज ए रे. व्हेन दिस ए रे it goes parallel to this principal axis and it strikes at point B on this convex mirror, and here it gets reflected. If we will extend this reflected ray backwards, it appears to origin from the focus of the convex mirror. From the focus of the convex mirror. This is the first rule. Or ray of light parallel to principal axis. Ray of light parallel to principal axis of a convex mirror appears to be coming from its focus after reflection. Reflection के बाद जो reflected ray है, it appears to come from the focus of the convex mirror. It is the first rule of this image formation in convex mirror. Second rule is there. A ray of light going through or going towards center of curvature of a convex mirror is reflected back along the same path, or we can state that a ray of light going through or moving through center of curvature after reflection retraces its path or it comes back along the same path. A ray of light going to center of curvature, going to see the center of curvature of a convex mirror is reflected back along the same path. यहाँ से जो ray है, for example this ray is A, it comes from any object, it goes through the center of curvature of this convex mirror. After reflection, this ray it comes back along the same path. It is the second rule for the image formation in case of convex mirror. Now there is rule number third. A ray of light going through focus of a convex mirror after reflection becomes parallel to principal axis. A ray of light going through focus, यानी एक रे ऑफ लाइट जो है जो कि इंसिडेंट होती है किस पे, कन्वेक्स मिरर पे. अगर हम इसी रे ऑफ लाइट को यहाँ पे एक्सटेंड करेंगे backwards, it goes through the focus of the mirror. After reflection, this ray it becomes parallel to principal axis. A ray of light that goes through focus of the mirror, after reflection at point E on the convex mirror, it goes parallel to principal axis. A ray of light going through focus of the convex mirror after reflection become parallel to principal axis. It is the third rule for image formation in case of convex mirror. Then there is the last rule. A ray of light incident at the pole of the convex mirror after reflection forms the same angle with the principal axis. A ray of light incident at the pole of the convex mirror after reflection forms the same angle with the principal axis. Here I will show it. by diagram. This is the convex mirror. This is the pole. Focus. This is center of curvature. We'll extend it here. This is principal axis. Principal axis. A ray of light, it gets incident at the pole of the mirror, at the pole of the convex mirror, and this incident ray, it is A ray, principal axis. After reflection at pole of the mirror, this reflector ray, it forms the same angle with this principal axis, and this is the incident ray, this is the reflector ray. This is the last rule for image formation in case of convex mirror, and almost these rules looks same as we learned in case of concave mirrors, but here we must in both these cases there must be the proper design of concave and convex mirror. When we will go through rules for image formation in case of concave mirror, we have to use here concave mirror, and when there will be the case of convex mirror, we should use the convex mirror. This was all about today's topic. Have a nice day.